What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I actually just got here to Hawaii, and in this video, this is going to be an update video on what I've been up to, what I've been working on, and what are some future videos that I'm going to have released to my YouTube channel. So this is actually the hotel room that I just got to. I actually got here yesterday, and I'll give you guys a quick tour. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bright in the background. But I'll come outside and you can actually take a look. Let me actually adjust the settings up. So as you can see, I actually have my laptop right here. This is actually the hotel room. It's actually a little dark, so I won't mess with the settings too much. But as you can see, I actually did a little bit of work this morning. I probably worked for about an hour today. And what I actually did was actually message my team. So in this video, you guys are going to hear about some of the projects I've been working on. You know, am I still doing affiliate marketing? Of course I still am. Still doing CPA marketing and doing some other businesses. But yeah, here's actually the view from the hotel room. As you can see, right down here, there is a surfboard shop. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm going to try to focus in on. But I'm actually going to go down there right after filming this and try to surf. Now, I don't know how to surf. I'm not good at surfing, but I'm just going to have some fun while I'm relaxing. So for starters, what have I actually been working on? So by the way, everybody, thank you for everyone who has subscribed to the channel and has been watching my journey since the very beginning. So what I've actually been working on are two different businesses, and one of my businesses I recently started about 2 to 3 months ago is actually Shopify. And I'm not a Shopify expert at all. You know, I was a total beginner when I started, but one thing that I know how to do is buy traffic. And so essentially buying traffic, whether you're buying traffic on Google, Bing, or Facebook, as long as you have a strategy, you can succeed with any business model on that traffic source. So I actually started a Shopify store roughly 3 months ago now, 2-3 months ago, and it's been going steady. I've been doing about 30-50K a month with my Shopify store, but you guys are gonna see some content coming out to my YouTube channel pretty soon on Shopify. This YouTube channel is not gonna shift over to Shopify at all, but I'm just going to share a little bit of my journey and, you know, some mistakes that I made starting on Shopify as a total noob, by the way. So I think you guys will get a lot of value from that video. But also, what else have I been working on? So recently, I actually started promoting ClickFunnels, Aweber, and a couple different tools. And I've actually become a top affiliate at Aweber, and I'm on the rise to being a top affiliate with ClickFunnels. I actually took within 3 weeks, I went from 0 to 100 ClickFunnels active members, and as I'm filming this right now, I can actually show you guys within about 4.5 weeks, I'm almost at 200 active ClickFunnels signups, and I'll actually just show you that real quick. So it may be a little bit difficult to see, but that's actually one business model I've been working on. So as you know, with affiliate marketing, methods are changing, strategies are always updating. You always want to stay on the cutting edge of affiliate marketing. And one of the things that I actually wanted to do was try to build a reoccurring income. And the reason I actually chose ClickFunnels is because they have a 40% commission payout reoccurring every month. So that's exactly what I did. I went out and I created a funnel that could generate me 40% commissions while making money while I was doing that entire funnel. So that's actually the new project I actually been working on. And so my goal is actually to get about 200 active ClickFunnels users. So I plan to do that. Hopefully I can do that within the next 4 to 6 weeks is my time frame on hitting that goal. It's actually pretty exciting. As you guys know, with ClickFunnels, if you have 100 active members, they actually pay your car $500 towards any car that you want. If you have 200 active members, they actually pay $1,000. And one other benefit is that in 2020 Funnel Hacking Live, if you guys don't know what that is, ClickFunnels throws a massive event for ClickFunnels users. So what I've actually been thinking of doing is, obviously I'll have over 200 active people, but I've actually been reached out to by a ClickFunnels rep in terms of actually claiming my ClickFunnels Dream Car Award. Now, it's pretty awesome. That's actually why I did it, because, I love a little competition like any other affiliate, so I wanted to promote ClickFunnels and also win the Dream Car Award. So it's very exciting. I got the email saying, hey, you qualify for the Dream Car. Everything checks out, and now all I have to do is either two options. I can wait for the reward to come in the mail. They're going to send a Dream Car reward. I can wait, or I can go to Funnel Hacking Live and actually receive the award. I don't know how you receive the award. Maybe it's on stage. Maybe they give it to you there. I'm not sure the entire process behind that, but as you guys know, some of you guys who are watching this may have a reoccurring business model. You may be doing other businesses, but the reason I love doing this is because if you're wondering like how much I made doing this, I'll just give you the reoccurring. In my private Facebook group, I actually break down how much I spent, how much I made, front end, back end, what traffic sources I used. I gave a full case study. Even one of my students actually went out and implemented everything I said in this post, this 45-minute post that I wrote, and actually got results doing what I suggested for my other members to do. But currently right now I'm at about 16,000 reoccurring monthly, but I have about 750 active trials. So if those trials stick through, I'll be at about 40 to 50,000 a month reoccurring. I'm assuming for the stick rate, it's going to be an average of anywhere from 2 to 6 months, but I've actually revamped it to give more value. So I'm assuming my stick rate's going to be about 12 months per ClickFunnels user who stays on after the trial. And now keep in mind, most people, if they're not serious about, working from home or making money online, they'll just cancel their trial within the first 2 weeks. But anyways, I hope all my subscribers are doing well. Comment below and let me know what you've been up to. As you know, right now I'm in Hawaii. The sun's beating on me, so it's actually pretty hot here today. But in terms of plans, like I don't know if any subscribers are from Hawaii. I know some people are. But what I've actually planned on doing is going to the North Shore. They have this thing in Hawaii called the North Shore Tour, where you actually go snorkeling, you go to the pineapple plantation, you go kayaking, you do a couple other things during the day. It's an all-day event. And then tomorrow I'm actually going to where they shot the movie Jurassic Park and King Kong and a couple other famous movies. We have an all-day event there. It's going to be pretty neat. You get to ride four-wheelers and really just have a good time. But that's what doing online marketing has provided for me. Being able to travel when I want, go where I want, and not be tied down to a job, which I used to be. A couple years ago I was working 50 plus hours a week just to get paid every week, not knowing if I would have a job the next week. But anyways, that is a video for another time. I just wanted to make a video and come on and let you guys know what I've been up to. And essentially the reason I haven't been putting out videos is because I've been working on my business. I've been trying to scale to 7 figures, and in order to scale to 7 figures you have to build systems in place. So that's exactly what I've been doing. I've actually been hiring a full-time team. I have 2 full-time employees, a couple part-time employees, and then I have a couple more employees that I just outsourced to on Upwork.com. But everybody on my team has a specific task, whether a team member does support, whether a team member sets up ads, or whether a team member does email marketing. Everybody in my team has a specific task that I expect specific results that I've trained them to do. And I've also made templates of, and what I've done is created standard operation procedures where if my employee doesn't know how to do something, we make it an operation to where I put it in a notepad, and I actually use Google Docs, by the way. So I put it in a Google Doc, so in case that employee runs into this problem again, they know exactly how to correct the problem. So that's what I actually been doing, is that, I don't make a full-time living from YouTube by far. I think YouTube pays me like $200-300 a month. And you can't make a full-time living off of that or live your dream, travel, or whatever you want to do. So my full-time income is CPA affiliate marketing. I run ads on Google, Bing, Facebook, and I do a ton of email marketing. So that's exactly what I've been up to. I've been sharpening my tool set to scale. And the beautiful thing about doing affiliate marketing is that once you learn affiliate marketing and you get it down, you have a skill set for life. keep in mind, when a super affiliate like myself starts promoting ClickFunnels and goes from 0 to 200 trials, 200 active ClickFunnels users in 4 weeks, that says a lot about the methods I do, how it works, and what I've learned through my journey. But essentially, that's exactly what I've been working on, is just growing my business. And I know that YouTube doesn't produce the income that I needed, so I had to value my time. And when I break that down, when I put more time into training new team members and learning more myself to grow, then I end up producing more income. So that's why I put my time where it actually makes more money. But keep in mind, I still love doing YouTube videos, but what I do plan on doing for future content, I have some videos coming out on drop shipping, some on affiliate marketing. I'm gonna have some on passive income. And then finally, I'm gonna have my case study release. And keep in mind, you guys are gonna be excited for this case study. I'm gonna be showing methods that you've probably never seen before in CPA marketing. So let me know also in the comments if you're excited about that. But before I drag on this video way too long, stay tuned for my live streams, because in about a week, I'm gonna start picking back up on doing live streams. I'm probably gonna do live streams once a week to start off, maybe twice. If I'm feeling froggy, I may do 2, but I'm gonna start off with 1 just to get started back in the rhythm. But anyways, thank you for staying subscribed, coming to watch this video, and just seeing what I've been up to. That's it. I've just been working on growing my business, and I've been focusing on putting my time where it makes the most money, and that's CPA affiliate marketing. Everything I talk about on the channel, I do. That's what I do every day. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you for stopping by and watching this video to the end. I'll see you in the next video.